Setting up manager accounting. Getting ready. The old Boy Scout motto: be prepared. Update and finalize the balances in your old system if migrating from another accounting system, either a manual or computerized system. Get familiar with the manager software features and capabilities, especially the features that you'll be using by downloading and installing the software and actually studying the instructions and using a test company to take the software for a test drive. Train those that will be using the software. My recommended path after adding your company. Select Control Settings, Cash or Accrual Reporting Periods. Setup Basic Settings, Business Details. Setup and modify your Chart of Accounts. Setup Control Accounts. Setup Tax Codes. Setup and add non-inventory items. Select and enable tabs. Modules used by your business. Bank accounts. Add bank and cash accounts. Customers. Add customers. Suppliers. Add suppliers. Inventory. Add inventory items. Fixed assets. Add fixed assets. Setup optional modules. Setup custom fields. Note: batch functions I recommend that will speed up setting up manager. Batch create to add your customers and batch update to add custom fields. Batch create to add your suppliers and batch update to add custom fields. Batch create to add inventory items and batch update to update inventory. Beginning quantities, average cost, and prices. Batch update to add custom fields. Warning on batch updates for custom fields: make sure at least one record has filled in information for custom fields. Set up recurring transactions. Enter starting balances. Note: control accounts require you to enter the detail records that make up the total balance of the control account. Set up and modify default form screen.